What's up and welcome back, it's DF Test channel. Today's Xiaomi Mi A3 first look. As per a new report, the Mi A3 and Mi A3 Lite are set to launch globally soon and will come with processors that are more powerful than the Mi CC9 series. The Mi A series from Xiaomi has been popular for the simple reason that it is the company's only Android One series. For consumers who prefer stock Android over Xiaomi's custom MIUI, the Mi A1 and Mi A2 have been the go-to choice in India. Soon, Xiaomi is expected to expand the series with the launch of a Mi A3 and Mi A3 Lite, which is rumored to be based on the Mi CC9 series that was launched in China earlier this month. Mi A3 powered by a Snapdragon 730 chipset, much like the Redmi K20. Meanwhile, the Mi A3 Lite, codenamed Cosmos Sprout, will feature a Snapdragon 675 SoC like the Redmi Note 7 Pro. This suggests the Mi A3 series will be faster and more powerful than the Mi CC9 and Mi CC9e, as they feature Snapdragon 710 and Snapdragon 665 chips, respectively. The report adds that the Mi A3 and Mi A3 Lite will launch globally soon, but there is no official date yet. What seems to be certain is that these will be Android One devices that will run on a clean and stock Android Pie software. Both the phones are also tipped to come with 48MP triple camera setup. The design of the Mi A3 and Mi A3 Lite will largely be based on the Mi CC9 series. This means we can expect a sleek glass-stick rear panel in gradient colors and a water drop notch on the front. The Mi A3 may sport a 6.39-inch FHD Plus display, while the Mi A3 Lite will bring a 6.01-inch FHD Plus screen. Both the devices will house a 4030 mAh battery, but only the Mi A3 may get support for 18W fast charging.